Good afternoon, dear viewers. I'm happy to welcome you on Sovelmash channel. This is Alexander Sudorov as always, and in this video we will look at which work is being done on the construction site on the 21st of February. Despite winter, the day is really hot for our builders today, because there is a lot of work going on in different areas. You can now see on the screens of your gadgets the work which is being done to pour the steps of flights of stairs. It's interesting to note that the work is being done in 2 flights of stairs, and the third one is almost ready to be poured. Mounting of enclosing barriers is continuing, that is, the external part of walls of the Design and Technological Bureau. The external wall panels are now almost exceeding the 1-floor annex building, which will then become the pilot production lab of the Design and Technological Bureau Sovelmash. Mounting of panels of the face casing is being done, which hides the place where the roof joins the walls. Mounting of the wall panels of the administrative building is also being performed. There is work going on inside the building as well. Mounting of partitions on the 2nd floor of the future Design and Technological Bureau is going on. As you see, there is a lot of work being done. Still, our builders continue to work vigorously. The tempo of work is constantly increasing, and that just indicates clearly that the day when the Design and Technological Bureau will pass all the state commissions is not far off. Do subscribe to our social networks, follow the news, and be in the know of everything that is happening on the construction site, and be the first ones to learn what happens in the life of the project. See you very soon!